So this is our Adobe Illustrator, and on last video I talked about the basic user interface and what are the things. Now let's create one new file and then we will customize our workspace. So this is our workspace. Why we need to organize our workspace? So simply let's imagine that you are working in the kitchen, your home kitchen, and if you keep the ingredients or fruits or vegetable in a proper position, then you will get easily. Likewise, in Adobe Illustrator also, whenever we are working in the design file, we need to keep things in a proper way so that we can get very easily. As you know, Adobe Illustrator is very rich in feature and the tools, and it has lots of features. For basic workspace, we need to keep things very clear so that we can get easily and we can be more productive. That's why we need to keep it clean. If you are opening your Adobe Illustrator at the very first time or you are using, then constantly you are seeing like this way. Okay, what you can do is you can just simply keep here whatever like the things are important, that panel you can keep it, and rest of the other you can close it, and you don't have to change over and over. You can set once and for all how you can organize. Okay, so don't worry about all these panels right now. First I will close. Okay, there is two different options. So first is close and another is close tab group. Close tab group means there are three different tabs, so I can close at once. Okay, and now I'll show you how it will work as a close. So there is two different. If I click on a close, then it will close single, see, and if I close now, there is no other tabs. That's why. So for example, right now I will close all the tabs here. I'll close all the tabs. I can do minimize and maximize this over tab. So I will close all the tabs. I will close all, close all, close all. I'm not keeping here anything. Just I want to bring it back so I can show you in how you can bring it. Okay, first I will click on Essential Classic. There is another way to bring those all options, but basically get those toolbars from just clicking on Essential. That's why right now I will close this also, this also, this also. Okay, and now how we can bring it on Windows menu? We can see all the panels. There are basic three. Okay, first let's say layer. Okay, it comes together. I will close one by one. Next is obviously none other than artboards. So second, and the third is properties. So properties a little bit down, I think. Where it is, here it is. Okay, so these are the things that are most important. So what are the things? First, layer, artboards and properties. These are the very important for the beginning of your design life in Adobe Illustrator. Now I will duck into my on the right side of this. Okay, wherever you want to duck, you can duck it. Okay, so for example, if you want to duck it on your left side, obviously you can duck it, but for me I'm quite comfortable with the keeping on right side panels and on the left side that toolbar. Okay, I'm used to it. So I will duck it on that. Just I'm clicking and dragging and dropping on the places where I want to keep. Okay, I can duck in a different space also, but I don't want to do that. I don't need three different spaces. I can switch it whenever I need. I can switch my tabs. Okay, this is the basic way. So now I want to save it. So how can I save it? I can save by clicking on new workspace. I can name it, like my name is CHTM7. I just simply can name it and click on OK. Properties, artboard and layer. Why we need these three and why it is important? So first, properties mean wherever, for example, let me tell you, let me text type use, or let me choose a type tool, and then I will type a text here, and based on that I can configure my entire text. See here, I can select any color from here. Okay, I can apply any what do you call it, stroke if I want to. Okay, see, I'm making a little bit bigger. Don't worry about anything, just try to understand what the properties panel is and what we can do. We will learn in depth in later video. Just I'm giving a basic idea of why we need. Okay, we need to know the reason behind it. And I can change the font typography. See, Okay, here font size, everything, there are lots of menus that we can configure. Okay, now we have bulleting and numbering. It's very great feature now they have added, before there wasn't. So, and next is artboards. Okay, artboard means it's just a simple paper sheet. Okay, I have now only one sheet. Here I can click on a plus and I can increase. See, I'm increasing the paper means these are the sheet, artboard means these are the paper sheet, and I can arrange. See, there is one arrange options. So any other way I can arrange. So I can create a 2 column or 3 column, and the space between the one page sheet to another sheet is 20 pixel, and if I click on OK, see, this is how it will organized. This is the artboard. And properties also you already knew, and artboard also. And layer means if I'm working on complex file, so simply I'll create. Now see, I create one layer, but I need to show the text. Where, how can I bring that text? Okay, so text is somewhere there, because I didn't delete on that particular artboard, but I need to see it. Now I'm not able to see. So why? The top layer, this layer is, see, there is a text, but whenever I'm just placing my rectangle box over the text, it's just hidden. It is just behind the rectangular box. So I want to bring it in front, that text. So how can I do is, I can click on a layer and I can see there is a 2 different layer, and this is the text and this is the rectangle. Okay, see, if I click on I can see I want both the icon, both the layer, and I can bring it down to the just after the text. Okay, see, then I can see. Now I want to, if I want to change the color, obviously I can change, okay, any color. This is how I can arrange my layers. That's why we need, by mistakenly we did something wrong and I don't know how to do anything else. So how can we do it? We can just click on that particular small workspace icon and we can set everything on perfect place. So this is how we can customize our workspace.